welcome back. Hope you had a great Christmas and are still enjoying your holidays. Well, it's a very cold day here today. Beautifully sunny though, mustn't grumble. -3, -4. In today's video, I'm going to be creating the bookcase or shelf system in the cottage. Let's head inside and just quickly explain what I plan to do. So with some very simple materials, some 3x2 which I've just purchased, I'm going to upcycle some old boarding, some planks. I'm going to create an open backed shelf. I'll leave these stones exposed through it. I just think it will be a nice use of this wall. Let's get going and see how it turns out. Well, that's the basic framework, the sides fitted now. So now we've just got to work out the height of the shelves and the way that they're going to be attached. So the first shelf will be a continuation from the window board coming through here. Let's see what I need. Okay. And then for this side I'll probably put some nosing on the front there to extend it out. Okay, now I think I've got some planks underneath here. Okay, it appears not in this stack. Let's try somewhere else. There's definitely one there. That's one. Sam taking Titch for a walk. Hello. Oh. Where you go?
Excited to see Sean, aren't you?
So this is what I've got so far. They're not quite wide enough as one piece, but they might do as facings down the sides. They're mahogany, these ones. I've got another piece as well. I think this one is oak. Yep. So good using all these materials that I've stowed up for so long. I knew that I'd get the opportunity to use it sooner or later. Oh wow, well it's definitely long enough. That's brilliant. Well, I'm not knocking it, but that sunshine is dazzling. It might be nice to take that piece out so that we haven't got any joins in it. Yeah, we'll scribe that in, I think. Okay, my next challenge is I've got to scribe the board into the wall. Now it's very, as you can imagine, undulated. So if I need to get that scribed in, I don't think I can do this all in one go, unless I cut out a template first, but I'm going to need some long cardboard. I have an idea. Now, Santa Claus bought me a new strimmer for Christmas. Yep, something that I've been really looking forward to getting. I haven't opened it yet, but it looks fantastic. Not only that, I can use this cardboard to make the template. Now what I must make sure is I don't lose any bits and pieces. Yeah, brilliant. So I've scribed in cardboard along the wall. It's been very difficult to do, trying to cut it with one piece of wood. Okay, next I've just got to scribe it in across the back of the wall. Got my template there. See how this goes. Another method I like to use is something taped to your pencil and you just run it along the profile of the wall. You just see whether it marries up with my cutout. So what I've got to do now is, because this wasn't quite deep enough, allowing for the cutout for the wall, I've got to scribe it underneath, cut it off flush so we got all the same levels coming through, and that way I can pin something onto it or do the boarding across the bottom. It will be the same as the next section. Yeah, trimmed it all off with the skill saw. Okay, time for a cup of tea. Oh, that sun is nice. Still quite fresh. No need to light the fire just yet inside. It's only -4. It's amazing though, once I start work. I had my jacket off a little while ago. But yeah, it's when you're standing there trying to figure stuff out. Yeah, that was a bit fiddly, that board. On and off a few times, scribe, cut, you know. It's amazing, some jobs you do and there's instant impact. Some things, it just takes forever. It's just how it goes. It's still kind of the holiday season, so we're just easing back into things. Had a few days off spent with the family. Very nice indeed. I hope you've all had a nice Christmas and a good year as well. And here's to the next year coming. So the next job I've got to do is work out the best method of attaching each shelf as it goes up into the side. So here's the fixing system I've come up with for the shelves. This is just an offcut, just showing you how it'll work. I'll just simply slide in like so. We get a fixing through there, and then we'll bring our material down to here, whether it be plasterboard or more timber, just to shut it off. That way you won't see any fixings. I'll do the same that side. Well, that is about as far as I'm going to go today. It's a little bit more progress. It is still the holiday season and I'm going to spend some time with the family We're going to have a lovely meal. So I'll see you in the next one. Happy holidays, everyone. Bye for now. Come in.